Some big news coming in there. The Bihar police team reaches Kotak Mahindra Bank in Bandra to seek details on some of other bank accounts of Sushant Singh Rajput. In fact, the money trail currently is now being investigated. 15 crore rupees Sushant Singh Rajput's family allege has been removed from Sushant's accounts and credited to 3 other bank accounts unknown to Sushant Singh Rajput. And now the police there, Bihar police and team reached Kotak Mahindra Bank in Bandra to seek details on the same, on some of those bank accounts of Sushant Singh Rajput and what the money trail has really been like. Pankaj Upadhyay joining us live for more details on this. Pankaj, take us through this piece of information that Bihar police just reaching Kotak Mahindra Bank in Mumbai, in Bandra, and they're trying to seek details of all the money that's been transferred from Sushant's account to various other bank accounts unknown to Sushant Singh Rajput. 15 crores. Also take us through details on Sushant and Rhea Chakraborty having businesses together. In fact, they've started 3 startup ventures that they put their money into. Take us through the details.
Yes, that's right. So the Bihar police is right now seems to be focusing on the financial angle, because one of the biggest allegations that have been put forward by Sushant's father is that around 15 crore worth of money was transferred from Sushant's account. Now, what we have learned from the police is there are 3 bank accounts that are under the scanner. One, of course, that is of Sushant Singh Rajput. Second account is with Rhea Chakraborty and her mother. And third account, which belongs to Rhea's brother. Now, apart from these 3 bank accounts, obviously the other focus is on the 3 companies, the startups which you are talking about, which generated in the year 2018, 19 and January 2020, in which Rhea Chakraborty reportedly had a very active participation. Not just Rhea Chakraborty, but also her family members, to the extent that her brother was made director in one of the firms as well. Now, the Bihar police would want to find out at this point of time, why were these 3 companies? What was the exact role of these 3 companies? Why is it that last minute Rhea Chakraborty backed out? What was the reason? Were these companies set up only to siphon off the money, as is being alleged by Sushant's father? So right now, the financial angle, which seems to be the most important angle, is being probed right now. And that is the reason why the Bihar police is focusing on this very angle. Yesterday, we saw how they had got the details, the financial transaction details of Sushant's one account. Today, as a follow-up, they have reached this particular bank and are getting more details on the bank accounts.
Right. Thank you very much, Pankaj, for joining us with those details there. We have more information coming in on Sushant Singh Rajput's probe, the death probe that currently is underway, which intensifies with the Bihar police also now in Mumbai trying to find details of Sushant's bank transactions.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.